Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I want to show you again how to use this simple strategy to find high probability trade setups that can help you trade different kind of pace, whether boom and crash or volatility indices. It's the same thing I've been sharing with you guys, and it's been working. But I implore you to watch this video to the end, because you might discover some of the little things that may have made the strategy look a bit difficult or confusing to you. All right, so just watch this video to the end. So the first pair we'll be touching is volatility 10 index. Let me quickly find it. Volatility 10 index, sorry, this is 75. Okay, then if we go to the 4 hourly time frame, let's go to the 4 hourly time frame. So I will show you a trade I took that gave me massive profit last week. All right, so this particular sell right here, you can see this bearish candlestick. At this point I took a trade here at the beginning of the sell here, and I took massive profit. I got massive profit from this particular bearish candlestick. All right, so how was I able to get this? So first of all, let's zoom out completely, or not, or maybe not completely, so that you can see what happened. All right, so as of the time I visited the chart, the market was just around here, and I noticed the market was actually at a zone. The market was actually at a zone, so I marked the zone clearly. I marked the zone. All right, then marking the zone, since it is a zone where market has been selling from previously, so I expected market to react to this zone, then to make some sales. And also I have an engulfing candlestick here. This is an bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. For those who really understand the engulfing candlestick strategy, you will see that this is actually one confluence to the fact that the market is going to sell from this zone here. All right, so I decided to go down to the 1 hourly time frame. All right, so I went to the 1 hourly time frame. So I'm getting to the 1 hourly time frame, guys. You can see this structure we have here. Let me show you guys. This is the same structure I showed you guys on the 4 hourly time frame. We had a bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick on the 4 hourly time frame, but on the 1 hourly time frame, as of the time I visited the chart, the market was currently forming this particular bullish candlestick. Then I saw the first time the market got to this zone, it rejected and it created this pin candle. I don't know how they call it. All right, it's not important, but you understand what I mean, what I'm showing you here. This is the candlestick that was formed. Market got to this zone and closed with this particular candlestick here. This is an indication of a rejection. The market would want to reverse. Then the next candlestick closed bearish. Then when I met the market, it was this bullish candlestick that was forming. So, and it was close to it was a few minutes away from the candlestick to close. So I decided to wait. Then I noticed the market was closing, market closed bullish. As it closed bullish, I decided to enter a trade, a sell trade right here at this point, you know. But this actually what also confirmed and made me to enter this trade is because, as you can see right here, this is a double top, guys. This is a double top. It may not be really clear enough for you to see here, but if you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you will see that that's a very clear double top. Where is it? Look at it right here, guys. A very clear double top. Market sold to this, bought to this level, sold and created the first top, then it came down, went back again and created the second top. You can see, so I took the trade right from this zone and it sold massively. It sold massively. So with the minimum lot size, which is 0.5 for this particular pair, I entered the trade right here at this point, and guys, the market sold massively. The market sold massively. I think I took some profit around, I took my profit around this zone, and I opened so many positions. So with this simple trade setup, I was able to make hundreds of US dollars in a very short period of time. This is the same thing you can do. Now trust, if you can, if I want you guys to look at one thing. You notice that the market created a double top here, right on this zone after it hit the zone. So what I'm trying to what I want you to understand is, once the market gets to a zone and you see it's a zone the market can possibly reverse, you shouldn't be in a hurry to enter a trade. If you can patiently wait for the market to create a pattern, a reversal pattern, before you think of going in for a trade, you know, it makes your setup more accurate, you know, with a higher level of accuracy, a higher probability that the market is actually going to respect that direction. As you can see, the market danced around here, then came down, pulled back again, then it sold massively. You can see the length of profit you will make, the level of profit you make if you were opportunity to find this possibility, this setup too. All right, it's very simple. So anytime the market gets to a zone, you just don't just go in a hurry. Wait for the market to give you a chance to actually take the trade. Like you want to see a confirmation based on some kind of chart patterns that indicates the market wants to go in that direction. The market wants to go in your intended direction. All right. Okay, so that's one of those. Then the next one is a trade I just noticed, though I didn't actually take the trade. One of my students just drew my attention to it after it had played out. All right, so I want you guys to learn from it too. Now it is on boom 300 index. On boom 300 index, you can see the massive sells here on this boom 300 index. Then if we go down to, let's say, the 4-hourly time frame, you will notice this. You will notice this, that the market had been buying and it until it bought and got to a certain zone. Then we have something like this. It bought up to the zone and then reversed and broke above that zone. So now the market has come back to retest that zone. From what I can see, this looks like a first top and this looks like the second top. So the market has created a double top. So now it is now approaching the neckline. You want to see the market breaking below this and closing below this neckline. Then we'll see some massive sells. All right, because also if we want to place a trend line to actually mark out to see where the market is breaking up, but that's not even what I want to show you guys in this particular video. Now look at this impulsive correction. If you have understood my concept of impulsive correction, you know when we want to trade reversals. All right, so we have something like this. You can see that the market actually was buying from this trend line. The market was buying from this trend line, and then we have another trend line just like this. We have another trend line just like this. All right, then also you can see the market went after buying to the top, creating the first top. A moment. After creating the first top, it went and retested that top again to form a double top, the second top. All right, then now you can see what we have here. The manner in which this market has been, the candlesticks here have been arranged, or printed, gives us an indication that the market will be selling. This is a very strong indication the market will be selling. All right, then later we had a bullish engulfing candlestick that confirms that we are going to sell based on our engulfing candlestick strategy. Though it sounds so strange to some of you who do not understand our engulfing candlestick strategy. So this is a very nice opportunity to have entered the trade from the beginning of the second top. This would have been a very nice opportunity to enter the trade right here. And if we go down to a lower time frame, let's check the 1-hourly time frame. You see this structure right here. One moment, guys. See this structure right here. Okay, one moment, guys, one moment. All right, so let me try to fix this correctly. All right, so you can see this was actually another structure that indicated the market was going to buy and going to sell, a kind of a corrective buys. All right, so the market bought to this level, and you see it created another double top still with on the 1-hourly time frame. This is another double top, guys. This is the first top, this is the second top. I want to show you guys that candlestick and chart patterns are really powerful, guys. So the market came and created another top here. This is the first top, this is the second top. All right, then at this point, you see, let's say you enter the trade anywhere around here, you see the massive profit to be taken. You see the market is still selling. All right, this is the neckline. It broke the neckline, then continued selling massively to the downside. So all you want to do now is, this has already happened. Now the market is at the neckline. Anything is possible. It might want to spike a bit, but from all indications, we expect some massive sells. So once the market is able to successfully break below this zone that we have here, where it currently is, we are expecting the market to sell nicely, though it might sell to a certain level, maybe like this. Then then it will come back to do a retest. Then we'll have then we'll see something like this. Nice cells. You understand? So we'll see something like this, guys. All right, so it is something like this. That is what I'm expecting. Something like this. All right, so be expecting more sales to the downside when the market is able has done a retest. But that notwithstanding, if you do not want to miss the opportunity, because there is a chance the market can break out from this zone without retesting and it will go a very long distance, so you won't be so that you won't be left out. You can just wait after there is a close break and close below on the, let's say, let me take the 4 time frame. Yeah, on the 4 hourly time frame, if you find out that the market closes below this level here, bearish, just the way it is coming till it close down here, is a very nice opportunity to take a sell. You take the sell, then know that there's possibility the market is going to react around here, but you would have made some massive profit before that happens, guys. All right, this thing is very simple. You just need to practice them. Keep practicing, learn to draw your zones correctly, learn to identify some chart patterns, candlestick patterns, understand them. Once you understand these things, it makes it easier for you, and practice them. Don't be jumping from one strategy to another. Don't jump from one video to another. All these things are very simple things that can help you to be very profitable if you stay consistent and stay disciplined, guys. All right, so like this video and keep on staying tuned, because I'll keep dropping very valuable information like this that will help you in your trading journey. All right, and also if you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship, you have to contact me. There's a link in the description of this video. Once you get to the description of this video, find a link that's going to take you to my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, you'll find my direct contact. From there, you can reach out to me to ask about the mentorship, my mentorship service, how it works. All right, and I will strongly advise that you go in for that. It will really help you. And before you come, ensure that you're really ready to learn. You're ready to learn to trade my way. You're really ready to learn what works for me, because I will teach you with the best of my ability to make sure you understand. And I would want you to also come in with all the energy that you need to help you succeed in this, because if you do that, at the end I'll be sharing your the screenshot of your winnings in the Telegram channel for everyone to see, because this is something that works and it is very simple. The approach is very simple. All right, so I wouldn't want to waste much of your time right now. So stay blessed and peace out.